Here, Maarte Girly, here are my high maintenance things that I do to be low maintenance. I'll be talking about the services I go out and pay for talaga, and not, the at-home stuff I do. These are just some things that I suggest if you're looking to do it. I'm not saying that you guys should do it to make yourself feel, beautiful, gorgeous, ganyan. These are just all additional stuff. Top to bottom, starting with my hair, I always get my hair done mostly coloring. I get a dark ash brown or a dark ash brown no bleach balayage and a hair treatment. Depende na lang sa isa-suggest sa akin ng stylist ko from Nook Salon in Centris. I've been going there way before the pandemic. My brows, grabe yung gulat. Wow naman, grabe yung gulat. But people sometimes get shocked when I tell them that my eyebrows are tattooed on, because they are microbladed. I got them done 2 years ago, more than 2 years ago, sa Pino by Buena Pino, and I've never gotten a touch-up session kasi I still like how my brows look. I like how they faded para, it's not too in your face and I can still, change up my brows from time to time. So ang suot ko today is just clear brow gel. As in, you can still see na parang there's like a faint shadow beneath my brows, pero I like it like that. Sabi nga ni Cardi B. The face, I get, oh my gosh, this is something na sobrang excited ako i-share. I get a laser brightening facial from Zap. This facial has allowed me to go to events without any foundation. Just like right. This is a photo from today, a raw photo from my camera. I do have concealer underneath my eyes, but anywhere else, walang foundation yan, sis. Then, my teeth. 3 years ago, I got my teeth professionally whitened sa dentist. I got the Zoom whitening, and I got about, ang daming session na eh. I went back for 2 days. Tapos, the sessions were like 3-4 sessions each day. I used to do IPL, pero that IPL burned my skin. So, I switched to diode laser sa Skin Station, and I've been doing that since. And then, ngayon may bago nilabas sa Skin Station na 4D Quattro. So, I've been doing that. And they've been working. Shy kasi ako ipakita ng, tingnan nyo. So, parang, just believe me. And then, I've been also getting Pico Light laser. That's all I've been doing. 4D Quattro, girl. It makes a difference.